What's one morning ritual that helps your family feel connected? Mornings can be messy, but they can also be sacred. A hug, a shared breakfast, a whispered affirmation. These small rituals build emotional safety, especially for families navigating complexity, grandparents raising kids, single parents juggling work, ESL families bridging cultures. Morning rituals become anchors. Today we're rebuilding them together. Let me tell you about Mr. James. He's 72, raising his granddaughter while her mom works 2 jobs. Every morning he makes oatmeal, plays one gospel song, and says, "You are loved, you are strong, you are ready." She rolls her eyes, but never misses it. He told me, "I don't know if I'm doing it right, but I know she leaves the house with love in her pocket." That's emotional safety, and that's a ritual worth rebuilding. So I want to ask you, what's one morning ritual that helps your family feel connected? It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be yours. Take a breath. Let that question settle. And if you feel moved, share your answer in the comments. Your ritual might inspire someone else's reset. Now let's meet Alondra. She's a single mom with 2 kids in a 6:30 a.m. shift. Her mornings are fast: toast, backpacks, keys. But she never skips the goodbye hug. She told me it's her contract. No matter how rushed, we touch love before we part. That hug is a ritual. It's not fancy, but it's powerful because it says, even in the chaos, we choose connection. Now let's talk about emotional safety. It's the feeling of being seen, soothed, and supported. And routines help build it. Not because they're rigid, but because they're reliable. When a child knows what to expect, they feel safe. When a caregiver knows how to show up, they feel grounded. So whether it's a song, a prayer, or a shared silence, rituals matter. Last time I asked, what's one morning ritual that helps your family feel connected? Here's what you shared. We light a candle and say one thing we're grateful for. My ESL students taught me to say goodbye in 5 languages. It became our ritual. My grandson and I do a handshake we made up. It's silly, but it's ours. These rituals aren't just habits. They're emotional architecture. They hold us up when the day gets heavy. Now here's one ritual you can try. The 60-second mirror moment. Before leaving, stand together, parent and child, grandparent and grandchild, and say one affirmation. You are brave. You are learning. You are loved. It takes 1 minute, but it builds a lifetime of emotional memory. And it tells your child you matter, even in a rush. Rituals are legacy in motion. They're the small things that become the big things. Years from now, your child may not remember the toast or the traffic, but they'll remember the hug, the song, the moment you pause to say, you are ready. So let's rebuild our mornings, not for perfection, but for connection. Thank you for being here. If this episode stirred something inside you, share your ritual. Your comment might be the blueprint someone else needs. And if your mornings feel messy, know this. Connection doesn't need perfection. It just needs intention. See you in the next episode. You take care and stay connected.